Ayo, what's going on, guys? Wolf's Gaming here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to become illegible for a clan war. So if you press war and you see, oh look, I can't go in the war, or anybody else but Football and 90 can. Well, how you can't fix it, but you just have to wait. So basically, if you return home, you go to Clan Castle, you press my profile, you can see Wyatt's base right there, which is my name, and then if you go right next to it, you can see Illegible for next war in 15 hours and 24 minutes. So why that is if you were to have left the clan when a war was starting, then that would be why, because they might have started a clan war before you left, or so it still counted as you were in it. So you just have to wait till the time's over, which would be, for me, 15 hours and 23 minutes. But I hope that helped. And if you want to join our clan right here, Musketeers is its name. And if you just want to join, that's perfect. We're looking for more players because we just started this new clan. So it's town hall level 7 and up can join. But if you send a request, we'd love to let you join no matter what level you are. So just hopefully this will help you, and see you next time.